YouTube channel. Today's video is my top cleaning products, so I'll be showing you just a few of my top cleaning products that I love using. There is so many cleaning products. If I named every single one of them, then I'll be here forever, but I don't want this video to be so long. So without further ado, let's get into this video. This is my top cleaning product, like I said in the intro, and you've got to see in the thumbnail and the title. Don't know why I have to explain that, but yeah. So if I had to explain every single cleaning product that I have, I will be here till Christmas, and I don't really want that video to be that long. So I'm just going to say a few products that I am enjoying and loving. So the first product that I am loving and I will always love is Soflora. I have done a video about Soflora, so if you haven't already, go and check that out. But Soflora, I'm absolutely in love with. I love it so much. There is so many scents out there. The one I did have it, was the Soflora Midnight Blooms, and it smells exactly like Alien, and I absolutely love it to death. But this one is the Soflora Fresh Home Odour and Remover Disinfectant Green Valley Fragrance. Now this smells incredible as well. It tells you how to use it, where to use it, how to dilute it, and everything else. You dilute it with water. It tells you every way we can use it and more. If you go onto the Soflora website, it tells you everything you need to know on there as well. Also, if you are a Mrs. Hinch Army, then she explains a bit more about Soflora, and she does a Soflora hour as well on her Instagram. But yeah, Soflora is one of my favourite products. I absolutely love it so much. I can never do any cleaning without Soflora. I do Soflora throughout the whole house, so it smells absolutely incredible. Plus you can dilute it into a spray bottle, which I have done as well, and you can spray it all over your sofas, your rugs, your cushions, curtains, the lot. That is why I love it, because it can be used for so many things. Next product is this. So we normally use the Harpic Pine, Mountain Pine, scent of the toilet stuff. But since I found this in Tesco's and I bought some, this is the second bottle now. This is called the Duck Deep Action Gel Floral Fantasy. If you've never heard of this one before, please promise me you will go and buy at least one bottle, because it is incredible. When you put it in your toilet, it's purple and it smells incredible. What more do you want? It is so nice. It does leave the really nice floral scent in your toilet as well. So this is another one of my favourites. Again, this is the Floral Fantasy. I never actually heard about this until I saw it on Instagram, and I thought, maybe if our Tesco's got one. If they have, then I'm going to grab myself a bottle, and that is what I have done, and I've never looked back. Like I said, I used to have obviously the bleach and then the Harpic Pine, because I was so into all the products that Mrs. Hinch has been using. But then I found this one out and I've never looked back, because it is so incredible. It smells incredible as well, and it's lovely in purple, which is close to a kind of pink colour. So next, remember me telling you about the Soflora bottle that I dilute? Well, this is just a normal spray bottle. Nathan's personalised it and put Lauren's Lenore, which I'm going to change because it hasn't got Lenore in anymore, because we've changed our washing kind of stuff. So we've changed it to Surf, not Lenore. Anyway, but I have diluted some Surf washing liquid into this bottle with some water, and I spray it everywhere, and it smells like you've just put everything in the wash. So I spray it all over my curtains, all over the sofa, all over the throws, everything, and I just spray it literally everywhere in the living room, and it just smells like you've just packed your living room up and just shoved it in the washing machine for a good old wash. It smells incredible. I use it on the doormats as well. You can get these bottles anywhere. You can get it from Amazon, eBay, maybe in Tesco, don't know, I haven't had a proper look. And you can also get the labels from anywhere as well, on Instagram, Amazon, eBay. You can get them anywhere, but this is just a normal bottle that's personalised. Obviously I want to get a new one because I need to change the Lenore because it's not got Lenore in anymore. But yeah, this is another good tip of mine and a really nice good cleaning product, especially if you just want your house smelling like you've just shoved it in the washing machine, then this is a good way. Next is a Dr. Beckham. Now I never used to use this until I saw it on Mrs. Hinch's story, and I thought, you know what, I'll get some of that. Before we got the new carpet down in the living room, we had a few stains on there, and I thought how to get rid of them, how to get them gone basically. Bought a bottle of this, and yeah, I've never looked back. It is brilliant, absolutely brilliant. I highly recommend Dr. Beckham. If you've never used it before, I highly recommend it. It gets rid of all stains, chocolate stains, wine stains, the lot. So it works on sofas as well. I always use it on our sofa just to get, if you've got, say if we've had a little goodies week and we've had some chocolate and some popcorn and everything else, and some of the chocolate and popcorn has literally gone onto the sofa, this is very good at getting it out. It is so amazing, it's brilliant. It gets rid of all the stains. It says here, eliminates tough stains and odours, and it is incredible. I use it all the time on our sofa, and it smells nice as well, by the way. Yeah, it does smell nice as well. So yeah, it's another very good favourite of mine. I've just got 3 more products to show you guys, and then that will be it. So this one I'm literally obsessed with. Every time I run out, I have to ask Nathan to get me some more, or pop into Tesco's to get some more, which is this. If you've never heard of this before, then where have you been living? Because this is the Flash bicarbonate of soda, and this is incredible, especially on your kitchen sides. It leaves the scent really nice as well. It is so nice. Bicarbonate of soda is very good at getting rid of anything that's like tough stains on your counters. If you spill a load of food on the counters, it gets rid of that, especially like bolognese sauce. When it dries up, it goes hard, doesn't it? This is very good at getting rid of that as well. It is absolutely incredible, and this has become my new best friend. I've still got to try, actually no, I think I've tried one. Yeah, the Flash French soap, I think it's called. I think I've tried 1 bottle, and I need to get my hands on some more because I'm absolutely in love with that as well. They also do the floor cleaning of this as well. So they got the spray version and the floor cleaning stuff, and the same as the French soap. So the French soap has got like the spray bottle and the floor cleaning stuff, and I want to grab my hands on the floor cleaner because I'm absolutely in love with it. Flash has been like my kind of best friend anyway. I use it for the bathroom, I use it for the kitchen, and now I use it even more because I'm absolutely in love with this, especially in this one. This is my last bottle, and I do not want it to go because I love it so much. Second to last thing is Dettol. Now this is absolutely amazing on mirrors, taps, anything stainless steel. This is incredible on, even on like, do you know you get the base of your chairs, like the stainless steel base of the chairs? It's incredible for that as well. This is absolutely brilliant. I must warn you though, if you're going to do it on mirrors or any TVs or anything like that, spray the cloth first before putting this on. Do not spray this on and then wipe it. Always spray the cloth first. Come in different kind of scents as well. This is the Orchid Blossom. You get the blue one, which is Linen Fresh, and you get another one as well, but I cannot remember what that one is called. But yeah, this is incredible. You can use it on bins, sinks, taps, toilets, use sofas, hard and soft surfaces. It is incredible. Sometimes I use this on my sofa as well. It does smell incredible as well. It says here where to use: toilet areas, rubbish bins, kitchen sink, door handles, bathroom taps, shower bases, pet beds, couches, sofas, mattresses, soft surfaces, upholstery and car seats, and many more. So I actually use this literally all over the house. I use it on my beauty room chair, the bedding, absolutely everything, and it smells incredible. It really does. I highly recommend you guys to get this. And then the last thing I have to show you is elbow grease. I've still got to try and grab my hands on the Pink Stuff paste because I haven't able to get that yet. But this is the elbow grease, and it is a proper nice degreaser, and it's absolutely good at getting rid of tough stains as well. You can use it absolutely everywhere: fabrics, metals, plastic, the only cleaner you'll ever need. Plus, it is a very good substitute for the Pink Stuff as well. If you can't afford the Pink Stuff, then elbow grease is very good as well. It cleans your ovens like I know anything. It really does help you clean everything. Obviously it tells you on the back of how to use it, like directions and everything else, but this is absolutely incredible as well. It's, like I said, it's a substitute for the Pink Stuff as well, but the Pink Stuff is amazing, so I've heard, because I haven't had to grab my hands on it yet, but I will. But in the meantime, I will still be using the elbow grease. So guys, those are just the few top cleaning products that I have been loving so far. Like I said, I have so many cleaning products that I love. If I mention every single one of them, I will be here till Christmas. So guys, that is going to wrap up this video. This is can't speak now. This has been my top cleaning products. If you want to know anything more, then please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer anything. If you have liked this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down into the bottom and click on the notification bell as well, because there is so many videos coming up your way. I do not want you guys to miss a thing. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys are okay and well, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.